my people? I don't know where to start, to be honest, because there's been so much going on. So I'll start by saying I have completely lost track of what videos, I've completely lost track of the chronological order of everything. So that being said, I'm just gonna leave this montage in here for the last few days / last few weeks. Sorry if you get like bad quality videos. It's from my phone or from my story on Instagram or, you know, things like that. Let's just get into it and you'll see the fruits of my labor. Anyway, see y'all in a little bit. What's up, everybody? It's been a minute. I've been doing a whole lot of stuff, school, working on the car, getting ready for this weekend, and you know, doing some work. I'm also a photographer, so sometimes I end up going out for work. But anyway, so we are back here getting ready, like I said, for this weekend, which is our first ever track day. It's gonna be HDPE, HPDE, I forget the acronym always, but we are preparing for that. And let me show you what we got going on here. Garage is a mess, disclaimer, all right? So no judgment, all right? So we got a lot going on. The car's in shambles, got all the parts off, just everything going crazy right now. The current project is getting this coolant or this radiator to work or to fit properly. I have already gotten the hoses where they need to be, and so I just need to find out a way to brace it, and then also find out. I'm gonna try and print an adapter for the drain plug so I can also put a coolant temp sensor in that position. So there's that, and then this next thing that I've been wanting to do, that I've been thinking about this whole time since I started this project, is deleting the AC, right? And to do so, I think I need to design basically a placeholder that is significantly lighter, obviously, and it will just hold, you know, the pulley. That's all I really need, is for it to hold the pulley so that I can have the OEM belt tension or position. Right, so that's what we're gonna work on today as well. All right, so we have the printer going. We got the printer going. Gonna get the adapter printed, and while we're doing that, we're going to cut our brackets for the feet of the radiator. So take the little booties off of this thing, off of the old radiator, and I want to cut little holders that will hold the little booties. Oh, you can't see. Hold the little booties in place. So what I'll end up doing is ended up drilling and then riv nutting like this spot here and that spot there, and cut little like round shapes to fit the little booties, and hopefully that will be enough to brace the bottom of it. And then I haven't figured out the top side yet.
Looks like you ain't doing nothing. Oh, my bad.
All right, so we have cut the little pieces. So now we gotta frame up everything. The idea is to have it just pretty much sitting on this. So what I think I'll do is trace the little boot and then just go inward maybe I don't know, 1/4 of an inch, and then cut that out and see if that works out. We have drilled our holes for the first one. Boom, 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 boom. And then we're going to riv nut it and then screw it in. Let's do it. We've got it mounted up. It's relatively straight too. And as you can see, I decided not to rivet it. I just put some bolts, nuts, yeah. Just put it like that instead. And it's pretty solid. It's pretty solid. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that for now. Hey, what's up, y'all? It is the morning and I am here crossing things off the list. And I have run into something that will probably stop us from hitting the track. And that is a leaking strut. Fluid coming out of this strut. You can see the mixture of water and oil up here. I mean, you can definitely see there's a ton of oil residue. I have emailed them to see if it would pass inspection. I don't know. I'm probably gonna post in the group, the Facebook groups as well. But yeah, so that's a bummer. However, party doesn't stop. We're gonna continue to work all of this out. Dude, these spiders don't give up, making their little webs everywhere. We're going to continue to work this baby out and get it ready for I guess when it's ready, the track. I tried doing something with this stupid temp sensor, and I realized that they already make, or I was looking last night, they make little things that you can put in between to hold the temp sensor, which is cool. So I'll probably go that route now that I have more time anyway. Or if I can find the proper reducing, or the reducer, I guess you could call it, the proper adapter to put the temp sensor in, then I'll probably do it that way. But for some reason, I cannot get the thread pattern for MPT right, or MIP, or any of the other pipe fittings. I cannot get it right. I basically made my own adapter. Going through a lot. I made my own adapter. It was a little wonky, so I ended up having to use some professional steel JB Weld because it was a little wonky. Whatever, it works. Right now we're getting proper temps, and we're burping the system. I don't know if you can see these temps here. Yeah, we at 190 right now. I'm waiting to see if I have the right fan plugged in to kick on once it gets to that point, at temperature. But so far, looks like it's burping. The thermostat just opened, it looks like. And yeah, so from here, button everything back up and get her on the ground take her for a drive because I changed the brakes as well, bled the clutch, the slave cylinder, so just a lot. So we're gonna take her on the road and do a little test drive. All right, I'll see y'all in a little bit. Today I put in the new camshaft, or not new, but new to the engine, I guess. Today I put in the new camshaft, and then we have a guy coming to finish the wiring and tune it. But yeah, so that's what we on to right now. About to put that new one in. Let's go. This is my temporary fix for deleting the fuel pump. I wanted to show you guys. I ended up like putting rib nuts in here for a temporary fix instead of just putting nuts and bolts here. Too many parts, too many issues if I drop a bolt or whatever. So show y'all a little something that I made. I was trying to figure out a way to have a front facing ram intake on the thing there without the MAF sensor. So I printed this up. Yeah. We finally got this ECU installed. I didn't get to record very much of it because I've just been so focused on getting it done. So what you will see is a montage from my Instagram. As you guys already know, this is a stock L15B1 fuel rail. I made the holes bigger so that the injectors can fit. So I made the holes a little bigger, and then I also put a bigger O-ring on each of them, or a thicker O-ring, not bigger. And then I mounted it up with some aluminum bars for now. The oil catch can is sitting here now. I removed one of the horns and it's sitting here, and it's just gonna go boom boom. Yeah, I mean, there's really not much to it. I mounted the ECU in the OEM spot. We have the cam lander right there. It's connected with whatever. I still haven't cut out the rest of this harness. I feel like I'm gonna need it at some point to figure out some other things, so I'm gonna leave that there. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Can't Fit with the Honda Fit. We got Eduardo over here with Terktuned. He's real focused right now, but he's getting it right. As you already know, we've been trying to figure this out on our own, you know, the setup for the tune and everything, but I don't know enough, so gotta get the experts in.